a stroll down the old long walk of the day. I met a little girl and we stopped to talk of a fine soft day. And I asked you, friend, tell me what would you do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? Well, I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl around the Salthill prom with my Galway girl. We were halfway there when the rain came down of the day. She asked me up to her flat downtown of a fine soft day. And I asked you, friend, tell me what would you do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? Well, I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl around the Salthill prom with my Galway girl. I was all alone with a broken heart and a ticket home. And I ask you now, tell me what would you do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? And I traveled around, been all over this world, and I ain't never seen nothing like a Galway girl.
Running down this old town, the time slipped my mind. The morning light took me by surprise, but I've got an alibi. You can dock my pay for being late, but you won't give me the blues. I've been sleeping in the arms of the Belle of Liverpool. Oh my, it's alright today. Oh my, it's alright today. I've been down so many times, I've lost a shoe or two, but everything's fine because you're mine, the Belle of Liverpool. Stocking shells should feel like hell. Today I feel no pain. Every coin I threw down the wishing well I thought went down the drain. But it all adds up to what we've got. I'm coming home to you. It all adds up to what we've got, the Belle of Liverpool. Oh my, it's alright today. Oh my, it's alright today. I've been down so many times, I've lost a share or two, but everything's fine because you're mine, the Belle of Liverpool. Oh my, it's alright today. Oh my, it's alright today. I've been down so many times, I've lost a share or two, but everything's fine because you're mine, the Belle of Liverpool. Said everything's fine because you're mine, the Belle of Liverpool.
Lonely racking, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, rapping, deal doors flapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, rigging, raring, tearing, losing, win. Oh, hit the diff and pray that she goes all the way. When I'm flat to the mat with party hats, I'm heading for, they'd say. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe that drove all night to the fuel it ran out. Oh, give me a yoke with plenty of poke and a can of Easy Start, and 1,500 acres hauling 40 ton of grass. I said goodbye before July to the woman in an awful rush, and it was near Christmas before I got back in touch. I found a set, but I had no brakes, couldn't keep it cool. With loads of power, I was behind an hour, so I'd give